Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, April 12, 2023. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Exciting day today. Let's get right to it. Let's look at the Qs. I don't think we've looked at them in a while. From the B wave high on August 16th, we have 5 waves down for the larger wave 1, an A up, a B down, and a C up. I think the April 4th high is still the higher high there. And then we've got to move down from there. Let's look at this a little closer, okay? So I got that mark, but it's going to be hard to see. We'll go from a daily to an hourly here and extrapolate that out and move that. And here we go. Okay. From that April 4th high, which is right there, we have 5 waves down for the larger wave 1. And this would be a 2 up. If I can put that in there, let's make it the same color. There we go. And let's do that. There's an A, B, C for wave 2. And then we're starting wave 3. Wave 3 gains equality with wave 1 at 310.57. You can see the other Fibonacci extensions there, the 272 at 308, the 1414 at 306, and the 1618 at 304. The make or break is that high there, which should be, is at 322.15. Yep, 322.15. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there, and that high was on April 4th. Let's look at the S&P cash. We're looking at a daily chart. There is that August 16th B wave high. There is 1 of C down here on October 13th. There is 2 of C on February 2nd, and 3 of C down here, 3 equals 1 at 33.61. That's the largest degree of trend. Okay, and that is make or break at the 43.25 high. And then from there we got the next degree of trend. We've got a 1 down and a 2 up. I already showed you that 3. I'm sorry, the biggest degree of trend is A down in parentheses, that's intermediate, B up in parentheses, and C gains equality with A, got it cut off there, at 31.43. The next degree is 1 down here, 2 up here on February 2nd, 3 gains equality with 1 at 33.61. In this third degree of trend, we have a 1 down with a circle on it, 2 up with a circle on it on 4/12, and there are the targets there. 3 equals 1 at 37.43. The 1.272 is 36.37. The 1.414 is 35.82. And the 1.618 is 35.02. Key reversal day. I'll get into that with the ES, okay? We got a key reversal day. Let me see if I can just jump into the ES. And I believe we had one there. Yeah, there it is there. That's the same daily chart, the same thing. 1 down, 2 up, 1 of 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3 on its way. Okay, the make or break for the larger wave count is 43.27, the 816 high. The next one is the 42.08, and the next degree of trend is the 4177.75. Okay, the alternate count is in play both in the cash and the futures. A move above 43.2750 brings the alternate count higher target into play, while a move below this B wave low eliminates the alternate count. A move below this wave 1 with a circle on it low confirms that wave 3 with a circle on it is in play, and there's those targets. Key reversal day here. Let me see if we can just get into the hourly and look at that 41.77 first. Okay, I think I have that there. Yeah, and there's the wave 1 down. This is the details of wave 2 up in circle. It was a 5 up, 3 down, 5 up pattern. You can see the C wave here. There's a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down. That 4 might be a couple different places. That could be an ending diagonal triangle for wave 5. The larger wave C and the larger wave 2 with a circle around it. And A, B, C, up, 5, 3, 5 pattern. And it completed at 41.7775 today, which was a key reversal day. It was close to a direct hit. It's like, what, 6 points off, almost 7. So I don't know if I'm going to call that a direct hit, but you can see all the direct hits we've had here on the way up, up and down. A wave high, B wave low, and then the wave 1 low. And I'll just scroll back. You can see all the direct hits that we've been scoring on this. Unbelievable, ever since that 2-2 high. Again, we kept getting, in the way into the February high, we kept getting higher highs, followed by 3 waves down. Back then we said we need to get 5 waves down before we can see a change in trend, and we did back on February 2nd. So that's what that is there. I want to show you guys our market close report today. That's there, and I can get into the key reversal, okay? This is what we put out at the close. Key reversal outside day, it's called too. Today we had a turn date of 4:10, so it came 2 days after our turn date. But I'll just read out loud here. A key reversal day is a day in which the market moves to a new high, and then closes below the previous day's low. Okay, so that happened today, and we've seen I haven't seen one. I want to say in a few years. And they don't always indicate a reversal, but it's a very bearish sign, and most of the time it does. Okay, and we can show you here. There's our wave 3 targets, and with a circle around it, and the make or break is a 41.77 high. And I want to get back to that pick there. There we go. Okay, so in this, I'll go from the smallest degree to the largest degree. Wave 1 with a circle down, wave 2 up. Okay, we need to move below the wave 1 low at 38.39 to confirm that wave 3 is in play, and there are the targets there. You can read them. The bigger, larger degree of trend, we have a 1 down here on October 13th, a 2 up here on February 2nd, and wave 3 gains equality with 1 at 33.83.75. And then the biggest degree of trend, there's the wave B high. Okay, and then, well, wave A low, wave B high, and then C gains equality with A at 3159.75. Okay, and we've got, I think we've got that in our cash too, that we put out for the annual subs. Okay, key reversal day. There's the same thing in the S&P cash. Again, I'll just go from the smaller degree of trend to the larger. Wave 1 with a circle around it. Wave 2 up at today's high, the key reversal day. And then we've got our wave 3 targets there. And then we've got 1 of C down on October 13th, 2 of C up on February 2nd, and 3 equals 1 at 33.61. And the largest degree of trend, wave A down from the all-time high, wave B up into the August 16th low, and wave C equals A at 31.43. Okay, I wanted to show you guys also that key reversal. There's a way to trade that, okay, and I think if I can get back to my home page on subscriptions, if you guys, we offer more than, we got an annual, monthly, we got a NASDAQ futures that we do, and the video on demand. And on the video on demand, if that, I can pull that up. Let's see, how to trade a key reversal or outside day. There's like 4 steps in their outline. I think that video on demand is $55 or $89 a month. The other one is the NASDAQ futures there. Okay, but that's all in there. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out. Interesting that the Qs are cooperating again. NASDAQ leads on the way up, leads on the way down. I'm going to leave you guys with, but we'll see how this plays out. By the way, I wanted to mention, let me leave you guys with this, that there was a key, I remember it was like June of maybe 2018. There was an island reversal, meaning a gap down, and a key reversal, and it was followed by another one. There was a double key reversal island, and the market still went up after that. So it doesn't always work, but it's a very bearish sign. So we'll see how this plays out. But fortunately, we have our make or breaks above here at 41.77 for this degree of trend, 42.08 for the next higher degree of trend, and 43.27 for the highest degree of trend. I think I have those in there right there. There we go. There's those 3 degrees of trend from lowest to highest for resistance, and a move above 43.2750 brings the alternate count into play, and a move below 38.39 verifies that wave 3 at the smallest degree of trend is in play. And I think we have that there. There we go. So we have our upside and downside parameters. We'll see what happens from here, but it looks like wave 3 is in play, and we'll get verification with a drop way down here below the wave 1 low from March 13. So should be interesting times. We'll see what happens. Until next time, take care everyone.